I have a Stihl leaf blower mod #b.g. 86C, I can't get any spark from the coil, after replacing it with a new one. Thanks, Eugene.
Hello, how are you? Can you post the part number of the module you replaced?
42,414,001,307.
Great, one moment. The ignition system of your blower is a very basic one. The coil and the stop switch. Your coil is new, so that only leaves the switch. You should only have a single wire that run from the ignition coil to the switch, then from the coil to a ground. Single wire that runs. Sorry.
I disconnected the ground wire from the switch and still did not get any spark.
Are the blots holes in the coil slotted so you can adjust the distance from the flywheel it's mounted?
Yes.
What gap did you set it to?
20 mm or .008.
Big difference between .008 and 20 mm.
What should it be set at?
0.010 in the thickness of a matchbook. Matchbook cover, that is. Any further away the magents will not interact.
Okay, I will try that.
That's likely your issue. As I mentioned, the system is very basic. My goal is excellent service. If you have any further questions or problems, be sure to let me know. Thanks. Good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.